we're just going gung-ho. Intensity on this course is way up here. Like, people are going crazy. It's brutal. Yeah, that's no joke if they're bringing that guy out. Yeah, we're gonna go meet up with Kyle from Danger Zone Off-Road. Just this super young kid, 22 or 23, something like that, who is very entrepreneurial. He's an entrepreneur. Get to know him a little bit and check out some racing this weekend. I'm genuinely looking forward to this. I think we're gonna see some interesting racing and a really interesting course. See that one? I might have unlocked a new skill here. So I already kind of feel the energy starting to build here in Brimstone. People are pulling in, rigs are being taken out, and I can kind of feel that like a lot of people are getting really excited for the race this weekend. It's a nice change from the third race at the high desert that was like blistering hot. So yeah, man, we're in the forest. It was super foggy out this morning, but this place is cool, man. I already have a good feeling about it, and it's kind of like the calm before the storm because I feel like things are about to get a little loud and a little rowdy. How'd it go?
I overheated.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Were you racing the Sportsmans?
Yeah.
Damn.
These guys are getting ready to race pro.
What, you're racing pro today?
Yeah.
Okay. When is that happening?
Like about 12:30.
Okay, perfect. I gotta go track down this guy because we're running behind, but
Yeah,
it
we're
was
about
super good
12:30.
seeing you guys.
You guys can meet up.
Let's do it. Good seeing you guys. What do you think of the course?
It's so gnarly.
Is it?
So gnarly.
Yeah.
Everything they could have thrown at you, they did. There's some like hill climbs that are literally vertical. You're like, oh my god.
I don't know how you stay so calm before your race. You're always just like, yeah, I can do this.
Yeah.
See you stuff. How would you talk about Kyle?
I would not be surprised if he's a celebrity one day, honestly.
He's got a real big passion for side-by-sides and racing.
I just seen his potential, and well, the biggest potential, I seen it in his heart when I met him.
Just down to earth and just a cool guy.
Look for number 93. Kyle?
Yeah.
How's it going, man? Dylan.
Yourself.
Nice
Kyle,
to
nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
Well, we tracked you down. How's it going? Let's go meet everybody. I'm Dylan. Nice to meet you, Jeremy.
You was on the podium together last year.
Yep.
Oh, no way.
He won last year.
You won.
Amateur, yeah.
No way. Are you racing pro this year?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Right there, he's got a good chance. He drew spot number 3.
Okay.
He won last year in the pro class.
What about between you and Jeremy?
Oh, between me and Jeremy?
Yeah.
I don't know. I was going to see. Jeremy's a good racer. I'd like to beat him because he beat me last year.
This looks more like a built-out track right here.
Yeah, this is pretty built out. But once you get back into the wood section, it's tight.
Is it?
It's really tight.
Just finishing the race seems to be a huge accomplishment, so I think that's a really good goal. And anything on top of that is just icing on the cake, it seems like. What's going through your mind right now? We're about 15 minutes out from your race. What's going through your mind? What's going through your stomach? Like, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous right now. I'll be really nervous when I get in the starting line. But once we get through the start and once we get the first lap down and if we get a good pace going, matters how the track conditions are, I can normally settle in pretty easily.
Who's this guy?
Be on TV. This is my buddy JP. His name's James. I've known him.
James.
JP.
I like JP. I came and watched him here last year. This was his first time racing. It was honestly did a lot better than I thought he was going to do, and he's impressed me since. So.
Well, sweet. I don't want you to miss your race.
Yeah,
dude.
we need to go up there. Let's get ready. I need to get strapped in.
We're gonna keep the GoPro going all night too, and just see, just in case you forget what you do tonight, we can at least watch GoPro footage in the morning. I'm feeling the nerves just being here with you, so do your thing. Get a whole shot, clear air. Have fun. You got this, Kyle. This is absolutely rowdy. There's already been like 3 rollovers.
Kyle got a little squirrely right there for a second.
He almost rolled it?
Yeah, he was on 2 for a second.
That's so sketchy.
Oh, yeah.
It's so dusty here. This track is so intense. I feel like that first lap, people were just going gung-ho, like full throttle, not letting back. We saw a few rollovers. I would just hate to be like right behind somebody because it is so insanely dusty. I don't know if you can tell right now, but everyone's just caked. It's brutal. I feel like the intensity on this course is like way up here. Like people are going crazy. This is no joke out here.
Something must have happened because there hasn't been any people come through here.
Oh, you think someone got backed up?
Yeah.
Because the woods are so tight?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Someone must be really stuck. Yeah, that's no joke if they're bringing that guy out. All right, everyone's kind of on pins and needles right now because we literally just saw one of the rescue vehicles take off back there, and none of the racers have really come around in a while. I mean, we haven't seen Kyle, we haven't seen Seth, we haven't seen Mia. I mean, nobody. So we think that somebody might have crashed back there in the woods where it's tight and nobody can get around. We'll see if the rescue vehicle can maybe flip somebody back over. I don't know. Like, nobody really knows what's going on. So we sit, we wait, and hopefully they come out and can finish the race. I feel like they're gonna have to finish somehow.
It looks like
good to go.
bottleneck is starting to lighten up a little bit. Looks like they're hitting that back straightaway where they're getting up to almost 70 miles an hour. So
Okay.
that's going down right now. They're moving the moon.
Race back on. I think I hear it. I think they're coming. It's on. What? Woo! Kyle comes out swinging. That was a wild one, dude.
Hey, it's just a blessing he finished.
I know. That was like a survival race out there, 100%.
Thanks, Shannon. That was fun. That was fun. Man, that was brutal. I didn't even know what ground I was on.
Dude, you freaking did it though.
Yeah.
That was brutal. That was so brutal. That was a long race.
It was fun. I had a blast. It was
Yeah.
a great time.
What's it like when you're going through the dust? I mean, like, from our perspective, you can't see
It's
anything.
driving blind. You can't see anything at all.
Is that terrifying?
It's very terrifying. And you were praying that you were going in the right direction and you weren't going to hit something or somebody.
But it was a blast.
It was so much fun. I guess I got 4th place for what it looks like right now.
Fourth?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah, right?
Almost close to the podium.
Yep, close to the podium. Yeah, I couldn't, you know what? Everybody else was super fast. Everybody was driving really good. So I think I'm super stoked with the 4th place finish.
What was the highlight of the race for you? Any moments out there you really
The highlight of the race was right after I got around that guy, I got one lap by myself, clear air, and I was just moving through the course. That was the most fun. I was hauling going through there. It was so much fun. I had a blast.
You had quite the fan base over here cheering you on.
Yeah, well, I'm very thankful. I got some good friends that'll come out here and watch with me.
Kind of seems like that's what this is all about. Just getting everyone together and
Keeping everybody's together, everybody's happy.
congrats,
Something
man.
great.
That was sick.
It was fun.
That was super cool. How was it out there?
I had so much fun. I was ripping. I just wanted. I don't care about any of the prize money or anything. I just want the damn trophy.
Hey, you still ripped out there.
Thank you.
This guy's a freaking bomb.
Yeah,
dude.
JP, yeah.
He helped Nick
What happened?
change
Why'd you
his
go up?
tire. He
The belt?
helped Jake
ripped my
with his
shorts.
belt. These guys saved the day.
I mean, you can't beat like all the people that came up and gave us support. It's
Yeah.
ridiculous, man. It's like we've never been to Tennessee, and there's been so many people. It's awesome.
Good people.
Yeah, exactly. Like those guys.
I would say when you ask me about if it's still worth it,
It's the adventure of just trying to make this all happen. It's pretty unbelievable in itself.
When you're a kid and you see all these people out racing, and you know, you think it's so cool, and I want to be that. I want to do that someday. And you end up doing it, and you're like, man, like my 12-year-old self would really be proud, you know, especially doing what I'm doing right now.